What's up, guys? I have Dylan.
Hi.
What's up? And we're gonna be playing X-Plane.
Yeah. I don't have the game, so can't play, but I can watch.
So we're gonna be flying the Boeing 747-400 right here. Why did you search on my dad's channel, dude?
You were on my iPad.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, my iPad was dead. Thomas Rozo. Guys, if you saw the Trump video, that has 394 views.
Poop aviation.
So flaps 1. I don't want to put flaps 5 because it makes us go vertical and we can do a loop-de-loop.
Poop-de-poop.
On the 747, I do not want to do that.
Um,
So I turned my mic off so you can
Someone
hear
is
it
gay.
normally.
Sierra Charlie, just confirm you have the Gulfstream there. You can proceed southeastbound, sir.
10 Charlie has Gulfstream, sir.
Thank you very much.
Zero, it's going to maintain 16,000.
Down to 16,000, 3040 United. 8 Heavy.
Okay, turn right 070, and we're showing, we're slowing through 250. What do you need?
Bye, guys. I know we're not even at MOB International Airport. Turn that down, though. He's watching one of my videos. He's a huge fan of mine.
I'm subscribed.
Subscribe to me, everybody. And goodbye. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.